Okay, filming.
Okay, ladies and gents, my friend Pat and I are here at Taco Bell about to attempt the new Daredevil loaded grillers from Taco Bell. Upon completion, we will post video results on Facebook and Instagram. Stay tuned for the results and whether or not I'll die.
Twitter too.
Ah yes, Twitter. You know how that is.
So, ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to Castar Tries.
The dumbass of all dumbasses.
Today, we are trying the new Daredevil grillers from Taco Bell. We are going to start with the least dangerous, Chipotle, and progress our way up to the dreaded Ghost Pepper Griller.
I have a Dr. Pepper for emergency support. I also took the liberty of adding a spicy ranch dipping sauce. I won't try the dipping sauce at first. I want to get the full flavor of the griller, but then afterwards I'll try the ranch sauce and let you know how it is. First up is the spicy Chipotle griller. We're going to do this in a spicy progression. Here we have the spicy Chipotle. Next we have the habanero, and last but not least is my old friend, Mr. Ghost Pepper himself. Alright, let's get started.
Tell them about the last time you tried selling with Ghost Pepper in at Castar.
Oh God, help me. Okay, now in my defense, the last time I tried anything with Ghost Pepper, it was the direct sauce. Me being foolish as I was, I assumed that it wouldn't be as spicy as it was, but that was just sheer stupidity. I guess that's part of the fun, don't you think?
Ladies and gentlemen, he fell over and he cried.
I did not cry.
You cried.
Those were just water droplets. Fine.
Once again, I'd like to emphasize, he fell over.
Fall over. I stumbled. Maybe tripped. Yes, that was it. That's the story I'm sticking to. Alright, so first up is the Chipotle griller. Here goes.
Let us see the inside of that, Castar.
Okay, so this is the Chipotle griller. It's actually really mild, but really good at the same time.
Speak up.
This is the Chipotle griller. It's actually really mild, but really good. For those of you who aren't as daring as myself, or foolish, should I say, I definitely recommend this for someone who wants a little spice, but not something that's too much or too difficult to bear. It's actually really good, and all of these can be purchased at Taco Bell for only $1. And frankly, I would like to go on and say that it's money well spent. But
So you'll be finishing this one.
Oh yeah, definitely. But before I finish it, let me move on to the next one. Oh wait, well, hold on. This is the spicy ranch sauce. And it's pretty mild as well. But it does give a bit of a kick if you want a little extra spicy flavor. Alright. Next up, we have the habanero loaded griller from Taco Bell.
Thank you very much, madam. Now the question is, when Antonio comes this weekend, right? Sorry, y'all can come to y'all's house. Like you say, no, I'm leaving tomorrow. I'll come back the weekend. I'll come back Friday night.
It's actually not that bad. It's not as hot as I thought it'd be. It's about on par with the Chipotle. It's not a disappointment. It's actually still really good, just not as hot as I thought it'd be in general.
So recommended?
Oh yeah.
So, how much of a burn does that have at all?
Right on par with the Chipotle. Pretty much almost no burn at all. So again, for anyone who's looking to just try something that's casually hot, but you don't really want to inflame your stomach, I definitely recommend it.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, time for the big show.
All right, now we have the demon himself, the prince of all things that are hot. I only say prince because there is now a new pepper that has dethroned him. But ladies and gents, please make no mistake. This is no laughing matter. He is by no means for those who aren't fiery connoisseurs, for lack of a better word.
So, not for the faint of heart.
Yes. All right, so here it goes.
I feel like it should be a drum roll. Chew it for a while. Give this peppers a chance to work their way into your mouth.
Okay, maybe I've been spoiled by the fact that I took the sauce directly. It's hotter than the Chipotle and the habanero, but it's not death-defying. You will in fact survive this. The first time I tried anything ghost pepper was the direct sauce, like I said, and I pretty much lost facial hair. So if you are looking to try the new ghost pepper loaded griller from Taco Bell, I recommend it. It's actually not, you won't die, so to speak. But a soda is recommended.
Ladies and gentlemen, as a special bonus, at the end of this, we're going to splice in the surviving footage of what happened after he tried the sauce.
I think that's only fair. All right, ladies and gents. Well, I'm gonna finish up all three of these grillers here, and we'll get back to you shortly.
So this is Castar Tries, signing out.